The iPhone 16e takes a new spot in Apple's lineup, replacing the iPhone SE as the most affordable new phone at $599. While it's nearly $200 more than the SE, it's much closer in features to the $799 iPhone 16, making it a solid value. It runs apps and Apple Intelligence just as well as other iPhone 16 models, and its custom C1 modem improves power efficiency, leading to the best battery life of any 6.1-inch iPhone. The 16e blends elements of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 14, keeping the same aluminum chassis and ceramic shield front, though the rear glass type is unspecified. It's a minimalist iPhone, available only in black and white. Its size is nearly identical to the iPhone 14, slightly lighter than the iPhone 16, and it carries an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display has a 460 ppi pixel density, just like the iPhone 16, but with a lower brightness of 1200 nits peak compared to the 16's 2000 nits. It lacks always-on display, and while the dynamic island is reserved for higher-end models, the 16e still features Face ID with a classic notch. Powered by Apple's A18 chip, the 16e has a 6-core CPU, a 4-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. While it lacks one GPU core compared to the iPhone 16, it still performs impressively. On Geekbench 6, it even outscored the iPhone 16 in CPU performance, but lagged slightly in GPU-heavy tasks. Gaming benchmarks confirm this difference, but everyday performance remains smooth. Thanks to new internal designs and the C1 modem's efficiency, the iPhone 16e delivers outstanding battery life, lasting 3 hours and 50 minutes longer than the iPhone 16 in video playback tests. Apple claims up to 26 hours of video playback and 90 hours of audio. It supports 20-watt fast charging, 50% in about 32 minutes, but lacks MagSafe, meaning wireless charging is limited to 7.5 watt via QI. The iPhone 16e is the first iPhone to feature Apple's custom C1 modem built in-house for better power efficiency and integration. It supports sub-6 GHz and C-band 5G, but not mmWave, meaning slightly lower max speeds. In real-world tests, call quality was excellent, with clear audio and stable connectivity while driving. It also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and supports emergency SOS via satellite, though it lacks ultra-wideband for precise AirTag tracking. The iPhone 16e shares 2 cameras with the iPhone 16, a 48-megapixel f1.6 main camera and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. It lacks the ultra-wide lens and advanced telephoto options of pricier models. Photos look sharp and detailed, and night mode improves low-light shots significantly, something missing from the old iPhone SE. However, it lacks cinematic mode, macro photography, and some pro-level editing tools. For video, it records in 4K at 60 FPS, but skips features like cinematic mode, spatial video, and action mode stabilization. Despite that, video quality remains solid, with accurate colors and smooth exposure. Running iOS 18.3, the 16e fully supports Apple Intelligence, offering Genmoji, writing tools, ChatGPT integration, and image playground. While AI tasks run slightly slower than on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they remain fully functional. Expect 4 to 5 years of software updates, making this a long-term investment. At $599, the iPhone 16e isn't a true budget iPhone, but rather a step up from the SE with significant improvements. You get solid performance, great battery life, and Apple's latest AI features for $200 less than the iPhone 16. While it lacks mmWave 5G, MagSafe, and an ultra-wide camera, it's a great entry point for iPhone users who want the essentials without breaking the bank. For most people, the iPhone 16 is still the best option, but if you're looking for an affordable iPhone with flagship-level features, the iPhone 16e is a fantastic choice. And that's it for this review. Let me know what you think. Would you pick the iPhone 16e over the iPhone 16?